Hello honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome to honeycrunch321. My inspiration for today's nail art is the music video Me by Taylor Swift featuring Brendon Urie of Panic at the Disco. I prepared all of my nails with white. Now I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails because I'm doing a colorful gradient next. Now grab a cosmetic sponge and apply these colors. Then dab it onto your nails. Repeat painting and dabbing until it reaches the full opacity. Then do the cleanup. Now I'm applying a shimmery top coat. Now let's stamp some butterfly designs. Then I painted the word Me on my ring nail. Then let it all dry and apply top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!